Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will see all the modes of the digital inverter Samsung refrigerator. This is a 4-star and 415 liters refrigerator. There are 3 buttons to activate the modes. The first button is freezer, the second button is freezer convert, and the third button is fridge. First we turn on the fridge. The first mode, which is activated by default, has a freezer at the top and a fridge at the bottom. Press this button in sequence to set the temperature of the freezer and fridge according to your requirement. The second mode is to deactivate the freezer and activate the fridge. To do this, press the freezer convert for 3 seconds and then press the freezer convert once and this icon will turn off. This indicates that this mode is activated now. The third mode is to turn on the freezer and turn off the fridge. To do this, press the freezer convert once and press the fridge button until this icon will activate and the fridge will turn off. In the fourth mode, we will use both compartments as a fridge. To do this, press freezer convert for 3 seconds. This fridge icon will be activated and press the fridge button to set the temperature according to your requirement. In the fifth mode, we will use the freezer as a fridge and turn off the fridge. The freezer is already working as fridge. To turn off the fridge, press the fridge button in sequence and this icon will be activated and the fridge will be turned off. Now we will set the refrigerator to default mode. Press the freezer button for 3 seconds to activate the power freeze function for the freezer. This icon will be activated. The freezer keeps running at full speed for several hours and then returns to the previous temperature. Press the fridge button for 3 seconds to activate the power cool function for the fridge. This icon will be activated. This will allow the fridge to cool quickly. To deactivate, press the freezer button for 3 seconds. It will deactivate the power freeze function of the freezer. And similarly, press the fridge button for 3 seconds to deactivate the power cool function of the fridge. So these are all modes of the refrigerator. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thank you.